What's up guys, welcome back to a vlog. Today we're going to do a house tour. First we're going to start with the backyard. Come on guys. This is the pulpit area, so nice. This is the trampoline, and this is a mouse area, like where we squeeze in the mouse cubs. This is a crocodile sliding. So much enjoying. So this is the backyard of ours. So now we're gonna go up. Guys, now to Paula Bear just showed you the backyard. Now I'm going to show you the garage. Okay, let's open the garage door. Ooh, look. This is a car. This is a real car. These are all pre-made cars. Now I'll show you a car from here. This is a cute little stroller that we sit and have a fun ride. Okay, now I'll give to Ellie and he will show you the kitchen bathroom. I will give the camera to Ellie. Now I'll open the door. Take Ellie. Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you the kitchen area and maybe here's the washroom over here. You guys can see it. Here's the kitchen. And we also have a little lamp in the kitchen. And here is where we like hide cameras, purses. This is all Buddy's collection. Hey, don't show them my collection. Hey, we will get more subscribers, okay? Okay. Now I will give the camera to Cowie, and then he will show you our bedroom. Guys, as you see that Ellie was giving me the camera. Now I have the camera. I will show you our bedrooms where we sleep. This is where 3 people sleep. Every day we change our places, like there. Here 3 people sleep in this bed. In this bed 2 people sleep. And in this bed 2 people sleep. Okay, you guys didn't see the bed. I'll just keep it on the front. Now you guys can see. Now just 2 people sleep in here. And 2 people sleep in here. And 3 people sleep in here. So it's really like, this is our house and we live here. It's really like small and something, but it's really not that big. It's small. So I hope you liked it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, share and like. Bye.